Suppose if anybody is having a problem or challenge in life, romantically, professionally, or in any other sphere of life, the first thing that we need to do is stop blaming yourself and feeling defeated, and know that you are in control of making the changes that will bring success to any area of your life. It's very important, Shinis, to replace weak thoughts with strong ones, negative thoughts with positive ones. We do nothing else. Nothing else around us changes. But once we change our thoughts, the world around us starts looking different. Negative thought replacement is a method for reducing the amount of depressive thoughts in a person's mind. I always say that believe in yourself, and belief in yourself is the key here. So अगर आपको आपकी दशा बदलनी है तो आप आपकी दिशा बदलो. You need to depend on what you see and how you see, where your thoughts play a very critical role, Shinis. That's what I would like to answer for this question of yours.
That's great, but what happens, suppose if I'm not able to think positively?
So doubting your own capabilities will only create a self-fulfilling prophecy. Since you think you're going to fail, your mind sets you out to make that belief true for you. So we need to be very cautious with what we think and how we think. Your thoughts will lead you to the actions that produce the results your mind is set on. So if you set your mind on success, you'll achieve success.